Hello everyone, hope you are well. Today in this video, I'll show you how to Shopify CMS through Facebook pixel tracking. And also when we are finished Facebook pixel setup, then I'll show you how to set up Facebook pixel conversion API. Okay. So at first we need to enable data layer. So I'm going to my Shopify store. This is my Shopify store. And just click in the settings and I'm using some code. So we need to customer event because when we are going to the checkout section, Shopify is right now updated. When you downstar go there, hopefully you can see he say order status. That means customer is uses event apps configured to editor when you download the additional script. That means right now your additional script is 31 December is stopped. Okay, so we are right now using the customer event. So already we are some event generate. So I'm just showing the our code. So hopefully you can see I'm already our standard events already included. So I'm just paste here save and connected. Okay, when we are connected right now, we will check our server store is working or not. Okay, you can see on your store and open. Then we need to at first our page view event is fired or not. Okay, so you can see when you go to the console, we can see the page view event. Okay, so next I'm just a view item, just a specific product page view. Then I'm just seeing the our data layer is working or not. Okay, so again go to their view item, you can see it's a GA4 Sigma 2 use. Okay, so right now we will work. So let's see how to track this. So actually when we are tracking setup some month ago, actually we are click the our preview and show, but right now is updated, no need preview, but obviously you need to GTM use like Google Tag Manager use. Okay, so it's for we need to act for. So right now my Google Tag Manager and my website already connected. Okay, so we need to right now this site to use pixel code. So how to find pixel code? We need to go to the ask manager, obviously, like business manager, then data source, event manager. Okay, so we are going there. Give me a few minutes. Just click in the okay. Then we need to go to the three dot. Just click in the this section. You can see hopefully event manager. I'm going there. Okay. So when I go there, hopefully I see I've already created one event. Okay. So wait. So I go there. Hopefully we can see the event name is. Just click in the data. So we need to wait. Actually our site is not working properly. So I'm just select our specific pixel code, right? So right now my pixel code is okay. Wait. I'm just find out which pixel code right now we are using. That's a two ad manager. I have it. That's why shares the different city, but we will check. No issue. Okay. So give me a few minutes. Again, I will check. Okay. Yeah. This pixel code I will use. Okay. I'm just editing my pixel name. I'm just trying to the unique name. That's why I'm just create this. Shopify. Okay. Okay. Then it's save. I already create one pixel. So right now we need to the at first need to the pixel code. So I'm just copy this code, go back, and I'm just trying to the tech configuration. We need to pixel. So I'm just finding when you go to the template section. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. So wait. Give me a few minutes. I'm just waiting. So when you see, you can see many templates, but we need to template is Facebook pixel. So I'm just find out this. Yeah. So you need to use this code pixel and just use add workshop add. So I'm just using this template. So this template name is like a p page view. So you need to at first pixel code. So this pixel code is not changed. So we will make this the consent code. So I'm just a consent variable and paste here, and this variable name is fb pixel id. Okay. Then right now may we are use the page view. Just select here and trigger all pages. Okay. So I'm select there and save. Right now no need to change. You just submit. Okay, we will submit. So you can see right now our Shopify store do not show pixel, right? So right now I'm just refresh our site. You can see right now you can see our pixel code is active. Okay, so hopefully we can understand right now pixel code is working. So let's see when we are go to the next level like specific product view, then it's working or not. So you can see the page view is count. I'm just select the specific product. You can see only show the page view. That means not set up right now view item event. Okay, so right now we will try this. Okay, so when you go there, I'm already make some report. Actually, when you Facebook pixel code, you need some required parameter. Okay, so you can see this type of parameter like contact type, content name, content IDs, and value currency. Your must be important and required. Okay, so we will make this type of variable. So how to check? So right now we will just create. I'm just copy this. Okay, I'm just copy this tag and just select in the view item tag. Okay, and right now we need to also check select in the view content. Actually, Facebook this name is view content and GA4 name is view item. Actually, we work to GA4 Sigma. That's why I say and repeat view item, view item. Okay, so it's not a big issue. Then we need to specific product, right? So actually, when you go there and you can see the your report. Okay, so I'm just select spec and console. You can see the view item. So just select and just click in the view item and event name is view item, so it's a custom create. That's why this type of name. I'm just trigger create. Okay, so what type of triggers we will create in the custom trigger? So I'm using the custom trigger. Just paste here and say FB view item trigger. Okay, I'm just this name select and save. So right now we will check actually is working or not. Okay, so is for we need to some parameter, that means properties. So how to set up this? Let's see. So actually when you click the standard and then you can see object properties, just enable this. Then we need to the content type and just copy and paste. Okay, actually I don't have a time, that's why I create and right now just copy and paste. Okay, we will see actually how to work. So value and currency. Okay, so we need to value. Actually, we are just clearing the properties name, but right now our need to value. So what is content type? Actually, content type is product. You can also, if you have a product group, you can use this, no issue. And second name is content name. Okay. So what is content name? That means product name. So go there and just click and read. Yeah. So content name, that means IT name. Okay. So e-commerce. I'm just copy. You can see I have it right now actually process, but I will show you in the live. Okay. So you need to the data layer variable. Actually, it's a data layer to receive this data. That's why I'm just select the data layer variable. E-commerce dot items dot zero dot items name. Okay. So just the zero dot items name. Okay. This is the specific just item. So DLV says item name. Okay, I'm just using this. And also you can see e-commerce.item.0.items name. I'm already used, right? e-commerce.item.0.items name, right? So this is the product name. Okay, so I'm just select and save. And also you cancel. I'm just creating this code. Right now we need to the product ID, that means items ID. I'm just creating the data layer variable and just paste. Okay, copy paste right now. We'll do this copy paste. right now value. So also I select as value, no issue. And totally variable, and right now, so how to value, actually e-commerce dot value. Okay, so I'm just paste e-commerce dot value. Okay, so DLP value. Okay, then I'm just select the currency. So also we need to same type of currency. So I'm just copy currency and also need data layer variable equals dot currency. So this type name is the LP currency. Okay. So right now we'll check actually it's working or not. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Just preview right now. Again. Just checking is working or not. So you can see this is not connect, but is working. Okay. No issue. I'm just using the theme basis. Okay. That's right. So we will check the data. No issue. Don't worry. So when I click the specific product like view item, right now we will check actually our code is working or not. Okay. So let's check. Actually, right now is not working. Why is not working? Let's see. Actually, our tag manager is not submit the sign also. So right now we'll check again. I'm just refresh the site and going to the specific product. Okay. Okay. When I go there, you can see view content also fire. So what type of already sent like content ID, content name, content type, currency, and value. Okay. So you can see 2,110 taka. You can see same of value, and also currency is BDT, the say is BDT, and contact type is product, contact name, you can see contact name and same name show. Okay, and also content ID, that means product ID. Okay, so that's it. So hopefully you can understand. This is the, so we will see the next video how to set up add to cart event. Okay, thank you so much. And also, if you need any help, you can see this is my public. I'm already some video published. Okay, so if you want to Facebook conversion API related, you can get idea. Yeah, you can see Facebook conversion API video and Facebook pixel setup already share. And right now we are working the update way, and also have a others video you can see, no issue. And if you need any help and if you have any question, feel free just contact this WhatsApp. Okay, and if you don't have a WhatsApp, you can contact with me Facebook, and also you can contact with me my Gmail. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. See you another video.